motherfucking best, nigga.
AC. Yeah.
Super. Future.
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Niggas be hating, I'm rich as a bitch. 100K I spent that on my wrist. $200 spent that on your bitch. Do me your model, put that on my list. Or that he going that foreign again. Killing the scene, bring the core in the end. Murder she wrote, swallow a choke. Hit her and go, I won't call her again. Woke up early this morning. Crib as big as a college. Smoke me a pound of the loudest. Whipping some shit with no mileage. Diamonds cost me a fortune. Them horses all in them Porsches. You pussies can't handle afford it. 4200 my mortgage. Falling on niggas like Corbett. Fuck all you haters, you bore me. Only the real get a piece of the plate. Reppin' my city and running my state. Keep me a pistol, they run with the case. Niggas won't beef, then I visit your place. Bang.
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Yeah, and I'm at it again. There go that flow, bringing tragedy in. Cop me a chain, your salary spent. Niggas this week bring them cavities in. Counting money, hourly trend. Rolling them skinny like Olsen twins. Niggas is squares, cabinet bins. Neck full of gold, Olympian shit. Demons, I'm blowing the check on the gear. Falling some pussy, then hop on the leer. Strap with them choppers in back of the rear. Sock passe, them killers is here. Woke up early this morning. Mine is telling me money. Paper, moolah. Pockets as fat as a tumor. Me and that nigga, no rumor. Living my life off a tuna. Want it with me, I deliver the beef. Real niggas only enjoying the feast. Pull up a seat, bon appetit. No Louboutins when that red on your sleeve. Bang, 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 bang.
I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Photographs of dope boys. It's all they taking. Fingerprints on a Rolls Royce. It's why they hating. Push a button on his broke boys. As detonation, walk the road to riches bare feet. I watch mama struggle, now she living carefree. That's why I hustle for that half a key, that's 12 G's. I'm trying to bubble every summer a new LP. You gotta love me, I got shooters out the D-League. Signing bone and hit that man, that's from 30 feet. Left in the puddle, fingerprints is on 100 mil. That's what it is, Ricky Rose and Ace Hood. We hella trill, yeah.
I come looking for you with Haitians.
What you know about this?
I stay smoking on good Jamaican.
We the best.
I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti. 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 I woke up in a new Bugatti.
It's so loud inside my head with words that I should have said as I drive.
war on terror is a bunch of bullshit. Just a poor excuse for you to use up all your bullets. How much money does it take to really make a full clip? 9/11 building 7, did they really pull it? And a bunch of other cover-ups. Your child's future was the first to go with budget cuts. If you think that hurts, then wait, here comes the uppercut. The school was garbage in the first place, that's on the up and up. Keep you at the bottom, but tease you with the upper crust. You get it, then they move it, so you never keeping up enough. If you turn on TV, all you see's a bunch of what the fucks. Do this dating so-and-so, blabbering about such and such, and that ain't Jersey Shore. Homie, that's the news, and these the same people supposedly telling us the truth. Limbaugh is a racist, Glenn Beck is a racist. Gaza Strip was getting bombed, Obama didn't say shit. That's why I ain't vote for him. Next one either. I'm a part of the problem. My problem is I'm peaceful, and I believe in the people. Yeah.
It's so loud inside my head with words that I should have said as I drown in my regrets. I can't take back the words I never
Now we can
said.
say it ain't our fault if we never heard it, but if we know better, then we probably deserve it. Jihad is not holy war, where's that in the worship? Murdering is not Islam, and you are not observant. And you are not a Muslim. Israel, don't take my side, cause look how far you've pushed them. Walk with me into the ghetto, this where all the kush went. Complain about the liquor store, but what you drinking liquor for? Complain about the gloom, but when you pick a broom up, just listen in the pot, ain't gon' make it stop. A rebel in your thoughts, ain't gon' make it out. If you don't become an actor, you'll never be a factor. Pills with million side effects, take them when the pain's felt. Wash them down with diet soda, killing off your brain cells. Crooked banks around the world would gladly give a loan today. So if you ever miss a payment, they can take your home away.
Inside my head with words that I should have said as I drown in my regrets. I can't take back the words I never said. Never said. I can't take back the words I never said.
I think that all the silence is worse than all the violence. Fear is such a weak emotion, that's why I despise it. We scared of almost everything, afraid to even tell the truth. So scared of what you think of me, I'm scared of even telling you. Sometimes I'm like the only person I feel safe to tell it to. I'm locked inside a cell in me, I know that there's a gel in you. Consider this your belling out, so take a breath and hell a few. My screams is finally getting free, my thoughts is finally yelling down.
Inside my head with words that I should have said as I drown in my regrets. I can't take back the words I never said.
بالربع يا هلا بالربع.
I'm trying not to wear 3X's no more. It's okay, Cardinal stand 6'4". You can hear the insecurity in my voice, right? I don't take my chain off on the mic, it's my security piece. It gives me security. I'm waiting for the ghetto to secure me. I just put away 30% for my taxes, 20 for the feds, the rest under my mattress. I gave my wallet a Botox injection. I'm bunch of road boys in your section. I'm trying to get my tax bracket an erection. A 70s entity, girl, look at my complexion. If you can smell my cologne, you're too close. Small time, my net, what you make gross. Saturdays every day when you're from around my way. I'm married to the life, girl, catch the bouquet. Set it off, fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off. Fire me up, hold it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold it down.
letters, that's followed by the fives. Me and my niggas call a coupe Jekyll and Hyde, cause the roof's on and off like they in and out of they minds. Eggshell pale, teeter-totter on the scale. The old nines is out and I ain't waiting on a deal. So same time the motherfuckers bargaining and lawyering, that coke money just keep pouring in and pouring in. Quarter milli bling bling, that's the price of fame, lame. I should have a title and a deed on the chain, man. Re-up gang, Pyrex over pyro. Stir it till it's hard, pop it out, let it rise slow. Recipe for greatness, me and Cardi now, nigga taste this. She fucking with the A-list, face it, nigga this the swag. 485 hanging off my ass, we call that frivolous cash.
Set it off, fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off. Fire me up, hold it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold it down.
Yeah, that's it.
Hold it down.
Yeah, that's it. Malice, superstar like Lupe. See me in the coupe, hot damn, it's a new day. I remove the roof as if it's a toupee to shed light on the jewels, view 'em in Blu-ray. High definition, I get cash. 220 on the dash and a self-start ignition. Told her don't love me, but she keep insisting. Brain so good, it's hard to keep my distance. Red carpet entrance, play close fashion. Nose in the air, I smell a Chanel platinum. Re-up is the gang, I rep with a passion till the wheels fall off and it all come crashing. Malice with Mr. Carter now, behind dark tent like we on the prowl. Nothing like money make a bitch use a blouse. Well done, homie, we rich, take a bow.
Set it off, fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off. Fire me up and set it off.